Finally, after 45 minutes of non-stop dancing, my shoes comes off. Another gentle and a humble soul. He's Justin from UK, Mark's friend. Oops, the final warning bell goes off. The atmosphere and the ambience was so full of energy that we did not realize that it was already 11 p.m. 30 minutes more than the permitted time for playing the music. Finally, we had to wrap up.
I'm Leslie Arosa, belongs to Tottam Parish and working in the Diocese of Udupi. I'm the Director of the Family Commission of Udupi Diocese and the Regional Secretary of Karnataka. Thank you very much. God bless you.
I love this MC. He did a very good job and it was very nice. We had a good time. Thank you so much.
Alina auntie, so thoughtful of her, just as always. She offered to take care of Chloe so me and Sam could have our dinner peacefully. Here's the authentic Mangalorean dinner. There was prawns curry along with sheer fish fry and kovalache niste. The food was super delicious, including all the starters. Like I mentioned in my previous video, all the arrangements were top notch. Even the bar counters were open till the last, and they waited for all of us to finish our dinner. And there's no surprise to tell that we were the last one to have our dinner.
Oh, very good. I want to say thank you. I don't have time to. Very good. Very good.
You saw?
So that was Mr. Kiran Lobo, the owner of Kyol Caterers. This isn't a paid promotion. It is just that we love the food that we wanted to mention it in the vlog. And if anybody is in and around Kundapur or Udupi, you can always get in touch with Mr. Kiran Lobo for their catering services.
I love Sam and Ramya because the way they carry themselves, they support each other, and I like the way they dance. It's just awesome.
Thank you
I
so
love
much.
you guys. Keep dancing and keep doing more, and be an inspiration to other people. Thank you.
No, I'll tell you something which I have seen in my life. It is not easy to compliment others free-heartedly. Okay, people might like it, but they will not compliment others. But you have a very good quality that you will compliment wholeheartedly.
Appreciate the differences and celebrate the differences. That's why I appreciate Ramya and Sam
And
for
we'll-
coming together.
We love you. We love you for what you are.
Thank you. You made my day.
Oh, you want to feed me? Or-
Please subscribe, like, share, subscribe. Ramya, Mary,
29.
29.
I'm still 29.
Hope you had fun. I'm happy everyone had fun. And in the end, it's you who had fun. If you're happy by inside, your soul is happy, it's more than enough.
We
That's
find
life.
family in you guys. That's what I want to say.
So I introduced you, right? I said, you are our family from Bahrain.
Yes.
So I introduced that to the uncle, right?
Yes. The bonds that cannot be broken
I remember I was
ever.
small when I met you.
I know. No, even smaller than that. Sam was telling you should have posted a photo of the olden days when we were in Bahrain, how small you were and all. You don't. Samana. And same little boy, sweet boy, and the same value what we had you in Bahrain, it will always continue throughout our life. Yay!
Only she's the last to eat. Rest all are out of the.
The last
Look at the last one there. Hello, Chloe. Chloe. This is us.
I love my family. Mwah.
I love you, baby, and I only love this two
I love you.
kiddos.
I love you.
A special thanks to Kristen and the entire Lobos family for arranging such a memorable event and hosting us that will be etched in our hearts forever. You guys are beautiful inside out. All I can say is, Tumi samestang Dev bore karo.
It's 11:34 and this is the vibe around here in Bangalore.
So that's me going from looking like that to this. And you can imagine the level of fun we all had. I could say one of the best roasts we had in a long time. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned to this channel for the glimpse of our visit to Malpe Beach. If you liked my videos, please kindly subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay safe and God bless.